Good morning, students. Welcome to third session of lesson Adjectives from your new grammar magic book. Today in this video, we will discuss about order of adjectives. Students, by the end of this video, you will be able to learn order of adjectives, acronym of adjectives. Acronym is a word formed from first letter of several words. Way to write correct order of adjectives. But before that, let's have a quick review of what we have learned in our previous video. In our previous video, we have learned that an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. Example, Jane is a clever girl. Clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. We have also learned about kinds of adjectives like proper adjective, adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, and interrogative adjective. Students, as you know, there are a number of adjectives, but the question arises about correctly ordering these adjectives. We often wish to use more than one adjective when we are describing things. However, we need to place our adjective in correct order. But how do we know the correct order? Now observe this example carefully. What is she wearing? If I say she is wearing a pair of long, beautiful black leather gloves, is my order of adjectives correct? To know the answer of this question, let's understand order of adjectives. Students, there are 9 types of adjectives that are usually put in the following order: determiner, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. Students, in this way, we can form the acronym. Remember the acronym: determiner D, opinion O, size S, age A, shape S, color C, origin O, material M, and purpose P. So this forms the acronym DOSA's COMP. Students, one more thing. Sometimes the adjectives are missing. Then the acronym formed is OICOM. Opinion O, appearance, that is also known as size A, age A, color C, origin O, material M. Isn't this easy for you to remember? Students, now let's understand the order of adjectives in detail. First is determiner, or you can say quantity or number. It describes the number of nouns. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Opinion. Opinion describes your judgment or what you think about something. Example, horrible, ugly, beautiful, fantastic. Next is size, or you can say appearance. It describes how big or small something is. Example, huge, tiny, long, tall. Next comes age. Age describes how old or young something is. Example, old, new, young, ancient, antique. Next is shape. Shape describes the shape of something. Example, it is circular, square, triangular, etc. Moving further, next adjective is color. It describes the color of something. Example, black, red, pinkish, blue. Next is origin. It describes where the noun is from. Example, Chinese, Italian, American, African. Next adjective, material. It describes what the noun is made of. Example, wooden, leather, plastic, metallic. And last one is purpose. It describes where the noun is used for. Example, fishing, cooking, sleeping, sports, etc. Now students, let's understand more about the order of adjectives by these examples. Brown, old, square, leather, big, travel, suitcase. Now let's arrange these adjectives in the correct order by following the acronym DOSA's comp. I like this. Big. Big describes size. Old describes age. Square describes shape. Brown describes color. Leather describes material. Travel describes purpose. So the answer is I like this big, old, square, brown, leather travel suitcase. Second example, round, new, lovely, wooden, grey, office, desk. So students, lovely is opinion, new describes age, round describes shape, grey describes color, wooden describes material, office describes purpose. So our answer will be, yesterday I bought a lovely new round grey wooden office desk. Next example, Scottish red awesome knee-length modern men's kilt. So students, here awesome describes opinion, knee-length describes size, modern describes age, red describes color, Scottish describes origin, men's describe purpose. So our answer will be, it is an awesome knee-length modern red Scottish men's kilt. Now here is an example. Write the correct order of adjectives. Number 1, Italian, sports, beautiful. Now we will arrange these adjectives according to the acronym DOSA's comp. Now students, according to the acronym, first comes the adjective beautiful as it describes appearance. Then the origin, that is Italian, and then sports, that is purpose. So our answer is a beautiful Italian sports car. Number 2, alarm, red, small. Now by following the acronym DOSA's comp, first comes the size, that is small, color, that is red, and then purpose, that is alarm. So our answer becomes a small red alarm clock. Number 3, wooden, old, rocking. Now students, by following the acronym DOSA's comp, first comes the age, here it is old, material, that is wooden, purpose, that is rocking. So our answer becomes an old wooden rocking chair. Number 4, cotton, pretty, yellow. Now again, by arranging the adjectives according to the acronym DOSA's comp, first comes the opinion, that is pretty, then color, that is yellow, material, that is cotton. So our answer becomes a pretty yellow cotton dress. Number 5, old, interesting, African. Now again, following the acronym DOSA's comp, first comes the opinion, that is interesting, age, that is old, and origin, that is African. So our answer is an interesting old African bowl. So students, from this we come to know about order of adjectives, that is number 1, determiner. Example, a, an, the, this, that, these, those. Number 2 is opinion, that is great, terrible, pretty, lovely, silly, beautiful, horrible, difficult. Number 3 is size, that is huge, big, large, tiny, enormous, and little. Number 4 comes age, which is ancient, new, young, old. Number 5 is shape. Example, triangular, square, round, flat, rectangular. Number 6 is color, that is black, yellow, blue, pink, reddish, grey. Number 7 comes the opinion, which is British, Chinese, French, American, Greek, Italian. Number 8 is material, which is wooden, silk, metal, paper, silver, copper, cotton, leather. And number 9 is purpose, that is writing, cooking, running, washing. And these all describes the noun that can be car, table, dress, mug, suitcase, balloon. Now students, today in this video we have learned about order of adjectives, acronym of adjectives, that is dosas comp and oecom, way to write correct order of adjectives. I hope you have understood the topic well. Now follow your SNAP homework schedule. Thank you everyone.